Deep space travel remains tethered to the limits of combustion and standard electrical excitation, processes governed entirely by electron vibration. Navigating the cosmic vacuum requires moving past these mechanics to engage with the underlying structure of the universe. Within the Keshe Foundation framework, propulsion and physical manifestation are achieved through the interaction of plasmatic, magnetic, and gravitational fields. Constructing a craft capable of this interaction involves the precise layering of three distinct plasmatic subsystems. The first subsystem establishes the engine's geometry through a delta-Y architecture. The second subsystem defines the operational environment using a framework of gas in a nano state, or GANS, fuel. The third subsystem acts as the ignition source, utilizing a solid-state plasmatic power supply called a pearl chain. These components scale from the level of microscopic chemistry up to macro-scale spacecraft structures. They function as an intertwined organism where the fuel creates the field, the geometry shapes it, and the power supply sustains the entire system. The system's lift begins with a specific geometric arrangement of reactors on a flat plane. The delta configuration consists of three double-core rotating reactors forming a triangular base. Their collective interaction generates the system's amperage. A fourth reactor placed at the apex creates the star or Y configuration. This positioning establishes the potential difference required for voltage. The tension between the delta's amperage and the Y's voltage creates the primary lift field. 6 additional reactors form an outer containment ring, projecting a field that acts as the system's boundary. The physical appearance of the craft is simply the visible edge where these magnetic and gravitational fields reach equilibrium. While geometry shapes the field, the GANS fuel inside the reactor cores determines where the craft can actually exist. Reactors loaded with Earth-based elements like copper or zinc oxide remain locked to the planet's gravitational pull. Utilizing atmospheric gases like CO2 allows for flight within the sky, but provides no bridge to the vacuum beyond. This data plots field strengths against the baseline of a cosmic vacuum. Only hydrogen and deuterium GANS possess the plasmatic strength to maintain a structure in deep space. Hydrogen GANS creates a field that resists being dissolved or crushed when encountering the intense magnetic environments of other planetary bodies. The destination of the craft is effectively decided by the isotopic state of its fuel long before ignition. Conventional electricity is too weak to initialize these high-strength plasma fields. Initialization requires the Alex pearl chain, a solid-state capacitor that preloads the system with plasmatic voltage. Each unit in the chain begins with a raw copper wire, which serves as the conductive core for the nanocoating process. This core is wrapped in a layer of paper saturated with an alkaline gravitational GANS mixture of titanium dioxide and composite brass. After an aluminum foil separator, an outer layer of acidic magnetic GANS, specifically CH3 and nanocopper, is applied. A textured zinc casing seals the unit, containing the plasmatic pressure within the cylinder. To amplify the power, the magnetic output of one unit is wired directly into the gravitational input of the next. This feedback loop creates a self-amplifying energy cycle, generating the power necessary to initialize the reactors without an external grid. When synthesized, the pearl chain initializes the delta-Y geometry, which then spins the hydrogen GANS to manifest the craft's maggraph field. Telemetry tests in Arizona have identified a final variable in this equation, the proximity of the human operator. Data shows that the spin rate of the plasma reactors fluctuates in direct synchronization with the emotional state of the pilot. Hydrogen plasma serves as the universe's common denominator, a primal state of matter that interacts with the electromagnetic signatures of human intention. Deep space navigation depends on the perfect synchronization of precise isotopic engineering and the pilot's directed emotional field.